What is the soil productivity index for farmland value? Imagine trying to guess how much a piece of land can produce without actually planting crops. That's where the soil productivity index comes into play. It's a number that sums up how good the soil is for growing crops. This score considers things like soil texture, drainage, organic matter, and how deep the soil is. It also looks at how much crops have been grown there in the past. All these factors are combined into one number that shows how likely the land is to produce high yields. This index helps farmers, investors, and land buyers compare different pieces of farmland easily. If one parcel has a higher soil productivity index, it usually means the soil is better and can produce more crops. That often leads to higher land prices and rental rates. For example, if a farm has a soil productivity index of 135 out of 147, it is considered very productive. On the other hand, a score below 99 might mean the land isn't prime farmland, like woods or pasture. Different states have their own ways of calculating this index. Illinois uses the Illinois Soil Productivity Index, which ranges from 0 to 147. The higher the number, the better the soil. Indiana uses the Weighted Average Productivity Index, which estimates corn yields in bushels per acre, usually from 0 to 200. Iowa has the Corn Suitability Rating, which also predicts how well the land can grow corn and influences its value. Soil types are grouped into classes based on their scores. In Illinois, the best soils have scores between 133 and 147. These are called A soils. Slightly lower scores from 117 to 132 are B soils. C soils score from 100 to 116, and D soils, which are less suitable for farming, score below 99. Knowing the soil productivity index is important for farmland investment. It helps predict how much profit a crop might generate. Land with higher scores usually costs more per acre and rents for more. Investors use this number to decide which parcels are worth buying or leasing. It also plays a role in tax assessments and loan decisions for agricultural properties. The data for these scores comes from sources like the United States Department of Agriculture Natural Resources, Conservation Service soil surveys, university research, and actual crop yield records. Online tools like Acre Value provide detailed soil maps and productivity scores, making it easier for investors and farmers to evaluate land quality before making a purchase. In short, the Soil Productivity Index is a key tool in farmland market analysis. It offers a clear, standardized way to see how good the soil is for growing crops. By understanding and using this index, investors and farmers can make smarter choices about buying, selling, or managing farmland, ensuring they get the best return on their investment.